What's up, guys? Today I'm going to upgrade this $27 Unibody MacBook. I don't know the specs of it, so we will see. It comes with no storage, though. I have to make a bootable macOS El Capitan USB using terminal, but it shouldn't be too hard. It is finally done. Took around 10 minutes, but it should work. Setting up macOS right now. It is currently pretty slow, but when the OS is installed, it might get a little bit faster. So the MacBook has a Core 2 Duo at 2.4 GHz, 2 GB of RAM, and a GeForce 9400M. There are no issues with the GPU, so not that bad. Only 98 cycles, that's a surprise. The remote does work, although it is a little delayed. I'm upgrading it to 6 GB of RAM. All you have to do is remove the battery and storage, remove 8 screws, then there's easy access. The bottom stick got stuck on the top mounting part, so it took a little bit to get out, but it was pretty easy. As you can see, it worked. Creating the DOS Dude 1's Catalina patcher bootable USB, so it is kind of up to date. I had to disable system integrity protection or else it wouldn't work. I have to do some install patches so it runs as good as possible. Catalina is almost finished. Very laggy right now, but it might get a little bit faster. Terraria is completely unplayable. I'm installing some rubber feet because one came off when I brought it to school to try to use it for schoolwork. It is a pretty slow machine, but with the SSD and some more RAM, it can watch videos and play some older games just fine. I had issues with Boot Camp though.